small walk with my mum. Mum, say hello. We're going to have a walk past the church. St. Peter and Paul Church. A little bit of erosion going on. I didn't notice last time we came. You can see it just there. What's that? It's like it's been repaired before, but not properly. Okay, I've just noticed there's actually a monkey puzzle tree here. Not many people know this, but monkey puzzle tree, when it's compact over thousands of years, it gives you jet, which is very famous in Whitby. So there you have it, monkey puzzle tree. I've got something to show you in a minute. Right, this is how to ruin a Range Rover. Are you ready for this? Brace yourselves for this. Check that out. Is that not the most ridiculous colour you've ever seen? And it's got some kind of body kit on it as well. We don't like it at all.